Hi, and welcome to QI Bitesize. My name's Emma Donaldson, and I'm the QI advisor for Tickle. This is Module 5, Run Charts. So why should you use a run chart to display your quality improvement data? Well, the way you display and analyze your data is always really important, and run charts are a good way to look at variation that's existing within your processes, which, as you know from Module 4, is the key to quality improvement. Run charts and plotting data over time enable you to identify whether the changes you are making are leading to an improvement within the processes you are trying to change. So given that you are plotting data over time, what time interval should you choose? There is no particular answer to this. Data could be plotted for every sequential patient with a specific condition, every hour, day, week, month, year, whatever is most appropriate for your data. But it should be recognized that each data point represents an opportunity for improvement, and you need at least 20 before you can make meaningful comment on variation using the run chart rules. So the quicker you can accrue data points, the quicker you'll be able to have some useful data for analysis. There needs to be a balance between how frequently you can collect your data and not becoming overburdened by the data collection exercise, and it's this that determines how frequently you can collect your data. So once you have your data, you can then plot them onto run charts, and this is really straightforward. You plot the time interval, whether that be week 1, week 2, or January, February, March, across the x-axis of a line graph. On the y-axis, you plot whatever the data point, so for example, number of patients seen in clinic, or number of patients diagnosed with pneumonia. You then plot a median line through your data. Once you have about 20 data points, you can then use 4 simple rules to assess whether special cause or non-random variation is occurring within your process. These 4 graphs illustrate those 4 rules. The top left illustrates a shift. In order for you to determine that a shift in process has occurred using a run chart, you need 6 consecutive points all on one or other side of the median line. A point lying directly on the median line does not count in this total. 6 points occurring sequentially, one after the other on one side of the median, is unlikely to happen by chance alone and suggests that a different process is occurring within your system. The graph on the top right indicates a trend. In order for a trend to be said to be occurring, you need 5 consecutive data points, each higher or lower than the one preceding it. A data point exactly the same as the one preceding it is not counted in the total. The bottom left graph shows runs. A run is said to occur when the data crosses the median line, and too few or too many runs within a run chart is unusual or special cause. The website attached to the bottom of this slide gives a further useful summary of the run chart rules and includes a table that determines how many runs should be occurring on your run chart depending on how many data points you have plotted. And the final run chart rule is that of an astronomical data point, one that lies well away from the median in one direction or another and is unlikely to have occurred by chance alone. So, in summary, run charts are a really simple, clear way of plotting your improvement over time. They enable you to identify variation occurring within your system, and annotations to the graph allow you to link your improvement work with any changes you might see in the data. There are 4 simple rules that can help you to identify whether the variation in your process is occurring randomly as common cause or non-randomly as special cause variation. We hope you found this module useful, and we hope you'll join us again for additional modules in QI Bitesize. We welcome your feedback, and you can follow us at Twitter at tickle_northwest or myself at E_Arnott Smith. We look forward to you joining us again soon.